GoShare Drive app. In today's video, we are going to review GoShare Driver app. So let's get started. First, we will discuss what it is. GoShare is an application that connects driver with people who need help moving or delivering items, furniture, office gear, junk, and many more. So who can use it? Anyone with a truck, van, SUV, or reliable car can sign up. You can also work as a helper without bringing your own vehicle. Drivers earn about $40 to $85 per hour depending on their vehicle size. Helpers earn around $40 per hour. Now, how it works, you have to open the application, browse nearby jobs, view pay, distance, and load details, then accept if it suits you. Payment is sent weekly via direct deposit, usually within a few days, but there are some pros and cons. First, we will discuss the pros. It is flexible scheduling application and you can work anytime. It is clean, user-friendly application and GoShare handles customer service and payments. The cons are the application process can take up to 2 weeks, requires a vehicle inspection and $45 background check. More in some states. Work availability depends on your city. Busier in large metros like LA, Dallas, and Atlanta. Bottom line, GoShare is great side gig if you already own a qualifying vehicle and do not mind physical work if it's not a full-time replacement but a flexible way to earn extra cash on your own time. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.